Hello guys, as mentioned from our previous video, we're gonna talk about DIY soil mixes. So we have three soil mixes here. This we're gonna go with this one first. 60% pumice and 40% soil goes for the succulents and cactus like this with a clear roof. It means that they don't get wet during rainy days. So all of these are 60% pumice and 40% soil. Okay, so the next one is this mix. Can you read it? 70 to 80% pumice, 20 to 30% soil. This goes for succulents and cactus that doesn't have a clear roof, like for example this one. It stays here without a roof. And when this one grows roots, I'm gonna transfer this to that DIY soil mix. 70 to 80% pumice and 20 to 30% soil. Let's go to the last one. The last one is this one. Can you read it? 90% pumice and 10% soil. This goes for the hypersensitive succulents like Lithops. My soil mix for this is this one. 90% pumice and 10% soil, so they don't get rotten. You should also control your watering for these types of plants because they easily rot if overdone. Just to mention, succulent plants that are planted in this DIY and exposed to rain without the clear roof, it's not an assurance that you have the soil mix and they don't get rot. So if it depends on your location, sometimes you need to have this 90% pumice and 10% soil. Just add fertilizers so you can supplement your plant's needs. But here in our garden we have a clear roof protected from the rain. They are protected from rain, so I use this most of the time. It's also in 3 parts pumice and 2 parts soil. This is the 60-40 combination. Okay guys, so on our next video we're gonna pick some random plants that needs attention. So I'll just update you some of our update here. Look at this. We sprayed this with succulent plant fertilizer 2 weeks ago, and now they are growing on the side. And see this one too. I don't know if you can see it there. There's a small growth there too after 2 weeks, and here also. The growth is hidden underneath there. Can you see it? Maybe it's difficult to spot in the camera, but the conclusion is succulent spray fertilizer is very effective for succulent plants to grow side shoots on the stems. So see this one. This is a new growth 2 weeks ago. Normally if you don't use liquid fertilizers, it takes about a month in order for these shoots to grow, and sometimes they only grow on top and not on the side. So fertilizers are very helpful if you want to propagate succulents faster. See you on our next video, and we're gonna find a plant that needs care. Oh, there's another thing I need to show you. I want to show you. This is a dead plant. See, but I think it's blooming. Can you see the flower? It's about to bloom. I'm gonna make a video about the bloom of this. This is the first time this dead plant blooms.